Hey there, I'm reviewing the Dokotoo Women's Fall Crewneck Batwing Longsleeve Waffle Knit Pullover, a perfect addition to your fall wardrobe. The waffle knit material is soft and cozy, making it ideal for cooler weather. The batwing sleeves add a touch of elegance and allow for a relaxed fit that is both flattering and comfortable. This sweater pairs easily with jeans, leggings, or skirts, making it versatile for casual outings, work, or even a cozy night in. The crewneck design provides a classic look while keeping you warm without feeling restrictive. The quality of the fabric and stitching is excellent, ensuring durability and long-lasting wear. It also washes well without losing its shape or softness. If you are looking for a stylish and functional sweater for the fall season, this one is a fantastic choice. Highly recommend it for its comfort, style, and versatility.